Look down for a moment, the ground beneath your feet. Quiet, easy to ignore. But everything starts here. Soil is not just dirt, it's a living system. It holds nutrients, stores water, supports crops, feeds ecosystems. When soil works, food systems work. Now here's the problem. Soil degrades slowly. Topsoil erodes with wind and rain. Farming removes nutrients faster than they return. Overgrazing strips land bare. Deforestation exposes soil to loss. Different pressures, same outcome. Productivity falls. This connection between soil nutrients and plant growth was clearly established by Justus von Liebig, who showed that crops depend on specific nutrients in soil, not just land area. His work turned soil from an afterthought into a measurable foundation of agriculture. Now, let's zoom in on desertification. Desertification doesn't mean deserts expanding overnight. It means fertile land slowly losing its ability to produce. Rain falls but runs off. Soil dries out. Vegetation disappears. Once the cycle starts, recovery becomes harder. This isn't limited to dry regions. Degraded soil appears on every continent. It affects farms, grasslands, and forests alike. Now zoom out. Soil degradation threatens food security. It increases reliance on fertilizers. It raises costs for farmers. It accelerates climate stress by releasing stored carbon. This turns land into a risk factor for economies and livelihoods. That's why land health is monitored globally. Organizations like the United Nations, through frameworks such as the United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, track land degradation, promote sustainable land management, and support restoration efforts across regions. These programs focus on prevention, not repair. Because rebuilding soil takes decades. Losing it takes years. Now here's the critical point. Soil degradation is not inevitable. Crop rotation restores nutrients. Reduced tillage protects structure. Vegetation cover prevents erosion. Better grazing management allows recovery. Healthy soil absorbs water better, resists erosion, and supports stable food production. Before we end, zoom out one last time. Soil teaches a quiet lesson. You don't notice stability until it's gone. And you can't shortcut recovery once damage is done. Environmental science exists to identify pressure early, protect living systems, and design land use that feeds people without exhausting the ground beneath them. In the next episode, we'll move into renewable energy, where we'll see how shifting energy systems can reduce pressure on land, air, and climate without stopping development. This series is part of the Learning Studio, where global systems are explained clearly, step by step, using evidence and real-world logic. This isn't about dirt. This is about foundations.